Today I'm going to explain you and give you a video about the uh, deep fake. What is the deep fake and what we can do with the deep fake, and what are the tools we can use for this that kind of information. Today I will give to you. So before that I will tell you this is a education purpose only video. So first you run this script and then lip sync YouTube video. You can paste the what do you have your video link in here as per this like this. So then you choose the start point and end point. Keep it in mind so that duration will be very short. Otherwise, this will take long time or something error. So you can find this URL from my description. So use also the second one is my deep fake. This is the basically image sweep. That means you can sweep the face. You see in here, this is the example.